Are you contemplating moving into a new home, but you're not quite sure what you want to do with your old home? Some people are saying, oh, rent it out, do this, do whatever. But look, you don't have to worry about that home selling. I have a trick that can help you move into your new home and not even have to worry about your older one. We have a bridge loan with Homelight that allows you to borrow the equity from your current home that you're in to put a down payment on your new home for you to move in completely, fully out of your current home, and then we put that home on the market and sell it. So it has 120 days to sell. If it doesn't sell in 120 days, Homelight is going to buy that home. They are going to continue to try and sell it for full market value. At the end, they will take a 2.4% fee at the back end. But if they sell it for more, then they're going to give you the extra money that they made from it. So it's a win-win. You get to move out. You don't have to worry about staging, keeping your house clean, showings, open house, none of that. Because the house will be vacant by the time it's ready to be put on the market. So if you do want some more information on this, definitely DM me. The biggest win for this is it's a contingency buster. So if you have an offer put in that you're saying, oh, it's contingent on me selling my home, we don't have to worry about that anymore. And DTI, this current home you're in right now is not going to count in your DTI calculations for your new loan. So it's a great things happening right now. DM me and I'll let you know more.